for ant. B for babbles. Babbles. C for candy. D for dice. Dice. E for elephant. Elephant. F for French fries. French fries. G for grass. Grass. H for horse. Horse. I for ice cream. Ice cream. J for jellyfish. Jellyfish. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L for lion. For lion. M for moon. E for inch. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. Umbrella. V for van. W for wheel. Wheel. X for xylophone. Xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebras.
Wow! We did it! All the letters! Great job, friends! Learning is fun with Bim Bam Kids! Please like, subscribe, and share for candy! Yum, 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 bon, yumane!